We're gonna take a whack. We're gonna take a whack at this 120 grand.
Oh my god.
We're doing.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay.
Right here.
Right here. Okay. Something. Nothing.
Oh, I got $1.25. You think I'll get it?
$1.25 lightning.
Crystal.
And we didn't get
not
it.
get it.
Completely dominated. But we'll just put more money in because we haven't won the 120 yet.
Are you sure? What is this?
What is going on here? We're not winning.
I know.
It is very interesting, like when you see one of these skins, because there's this lightning, and then there's that one, and then of course the 120 is what appeals to us. Of course, his chances of winning that is massively huge. What are you doing, Bree?
Oh, I just put $20 at a time. I do $12.50 and think I'm gonna get 2 spins out of it.
Okay.
Like this.
Oh. So this is a new technique.
Oh.
Of course, we got
Didn't
nothing.
work.
Yeah. This is the game we decided to play until the 7 Stars Fiesta tonight, which is, you know, free drinks and food, so you gotta go to that.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's when we're at that event, that's the only thing that's saving us money.
Yeah.
Not
That is
gambling.
exactly what
Yeah.
I'm saying.
Yeah, that's what I like about it. Is you go there, you get something, and you don't spend
I didn't
anything.
get anything.
You would think that you would get something. Like and subscribe so you can save more animals like Abby. Out of that. And there's a little glare from. I'm gonna move. Okay, the minor, but we didn't get it. This is better. I was getting a little glare. No, I'm definitely not going to complain if we get the minor or the major.
The fuckery on this thing. 3 more.
I would like to get 3 dolphins. Okay, we're shoveling more money in. Only because, you know, 120,000 is worth the investment. The chances of you winning are high compared to you not playing the game at all. Yes. So I would rather have our chances at high than 0 chance. Oh. It would be nice to get a bonus spring.
I know, wouldn't it?
Yeah. And the RTP is high. Okay.
Shit!
Got a major
Yes!
jackpot. What in God's green is going on here?
Yes! That's
Listen,
fucking brilliant.
see, that is brilliant.
Yeah!
We'll edit out the F-bomb, you know, okay, so just so you know, that's a little something called, we say, major, and that's really cool. Oh my gosh, what a great hit, great. I blame this whole thing on my luck coming over and filming.
We got permission.
How are you?
Okay, that's a good one now.
I'm glad you were filming.
Yes, I'm glad I was filming too. Look at that. Look at that, baby. That works. Yeah, that's a sweet one. Okay, I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna gamble it away. Our favorite, which is Valley River in Cherokee County, Harrah's. Love it. We're letting it go. Because why wouldn't you let it go?
I know.
Right after I said I'd like the major, and we got it.
Look at
Yes.
what we got.
Yeah. Something little major. So what was that, 50 cents?
50 cents, $12.50.
So $12.50. That's the magic. Okay, but not only did we get that, but we got an extra. Okay,
Yay!
the extra 362. We are going to Sizzler tonight. Sizzler. Yeah, that's huge. Yeah, that's just a massive win. Limit room came in, put just under $1 billion in the machine, and we
Just
got the
under.
major.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
was
so
pretty
that's a good
huge.
investment. Actually, we got the 362 plus then the major,
Yeah.
which is awesome.
I probably put in 500 though.
Okay, so 500 investment, we got like 58.40. We're
So
gonna
I'm
cash
gonna
out.
do,
We're gonna go get some free drinks. All right.
Look at what we got.
Something little major. So what was that? 50 cents.
50 cents, $12.50.
So 12.50. That's the magic. Okay, but not only did we get that, we got an extra